What is up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy, the Violent Saint, here yet again with another video. Today we have something special. We have the unboxing of the Nintendo Switch 2 console, guys. We have it here. I'm sorry about the blur. Hopefully it focuses. It's not focusing, but yeah, we have the Nintendo Switch 2 here, the edition with the Mario Kart World download already here. Gonna be unboxing that in this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy. But before that, I just want to talk a little bit about why this is special to me today. Guys, 7 years ago when the Nintendo Switch first came out, I was just some guy working at GameStop, very lost, didn't know what I wanted to do with my life. I wasn't a content creator yet, I wasn't doing any of that. And I remember watching this one guy here on YouTube who went by the name of CND. He stood outside, I believe it was for an entire month at Nintendo New York to be the first one in North America to buy a Nintendo Switch console. I remember watching that and thinking, man, it'd be really cool to do YouTube, to do streaming, to do all that stuff. I didn't know even where to get started or anything. And all these years later, here we are doing it, and we have the console, the successor to the one that inspired all of this stuff in hand of like kind of wanting to do content, didn't know exactly what. It wasn't for like another 2 or 3 years later, maybe more than that, that I decided I wanted to stream as well and all of that stuff. Long story short, guys, it's very special for me because the Nintendo Switch, watching that guy do that, be there and just create content and do something that he loved to do was kind of inspiring in a way for me, even though I didn't know what to do with it yet. And it wasn't like a focus at that point. It was something that really kind of made me think about what I wanted to do with my life. And here we are. Um, the community's small still. We're still trying to grow this. It's been a few years. We started over with a new account because the old one had a lot of like I had used it for personal reasons. It wasn't for streaming or anything. So it was like available for a long time and didn't have a following kind of thing. So we started over strictly to do this and didn't have a YouTube till then. So we started this YouTube and everything 2 years ago when we started everything over, almost three, I think, at this point. Or maybe it's been three. I don't know. I'm not sure. We'd have to look that up to see exactly when it was that I started. But in 2022, I believe it was, or 2023. It doesn't matter. Point is, it's a very special day. The Nintendo Switch 2 is here. We have it. Yay. On release day, in hand, ordered directly from Nintendo. Got lucky with that. And yeah, man, it's a big deal because the Nintendo Switch, I just remember watching those videos and going, man, it'd be really cool to do something like that. And here we are trying to do this. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Check it out. It's gonna be janky. It's my first time doing an unboxing. I've never really done this before. I'm about to move my chair, set up my tripod and everything on my desk where I game and stream and everything from. I have very limited space, so hopefully it comes out well and you guys enjoy. If you do, please make sure to leave a like, comment, sub to the channel. Follow me over on Twitch, twitch.tv/The Violent Saint. Will be live. This is being recorded on release day, so June 5th. So June 6th will be live on that Twitch channel officially co-streaming Summer Game Fest. I'd really appreciate it if you were there, and if not, that's cool too. Maybe stop by some stream sometime. We do stream Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, 7 p.m. Eastern over on Twitch. I do intend to start multi-streaming also here to YouTube consistently. Twitch, YouTube, and Kick if I can manage it. And yeah, guys, I'll have links for everything in the bio. Make sure you subscribe, follow, all that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching. If you're here till now, I'm gonna shut the hell up and let's get this started, guys. All right, guys, enough of the intro. We are getting ready to do the unboxing now. Here is the Nintendo Switch 2 itself. The box, I haven't opened it yet. Give me a second. Let me get my knife. All right, guys, here we are. Nintendo Switch 2. Never done an unboxing before. I have very limited space. Set everything up as best as possible on my streaming computer table, recording, all that good stuff. The console itself, haven't opened it at all yet. As you can see, everything is sealed. Gonna hide the serial number, obviously. Got the seal right there. I'm about to pop that open. Get this baby going. And I scuffed up the box. Awesome. Oh, I opened it the wrong side. All right. Rookie mistake. It's here. All right, there we go. There we go. Okay. Oh, there it is. System itself, obviously the two new Joy-Con, the Joy-Con 2. They are significantly bigger than the original Joy-Con. Let's do a nice little comparison. Here's a right Joy-Con from a Nintendo Switch OLED. and from a Nintendo Switch 2. This is you versus the guy she warns you, that she tells you not to worry about. Yeah. Stupid joke. Sorry, guys. Alright, so that's one Joy-Con. Put that back in the box. Here's the other. Obviously, they are inverted color-wise now. They have the blue on the inside and underneath the thumbstick. Same with the red, pinkish red thing. Still doing the neon colors like they did with the original Switch. It's pretty cool. And yeah, console itself. Sorry guys, I have to literally look around the camera, tripod, and all that. Here's the console itself. Do not remove the protective film, guys. Nintendo said don't remove it. You can see it right there. All right, significantly bigger than the original. Let's see. Let's do a little size comparison of that as well. Give us a second. Let's get the Switch itself. Original Switch. So Switch OLED versus a Switch 2. So you get them both from frame. Switch OLED, Switch 2. All right, let's see what else is in the box. I like to keep things as organized as possible. All right. So here we go. Power cable. Oh, it's separate from the brick this time. Power brick, guys. Sorry if I'm a little scatterbrained. Let me show you again. Power cable. Like I said, I'm literally reaching around the I don't have a lot of space, so the tripod and everything. This is the Joy-Con grip. Really cool. I like the look a lot. That shiny plastic is really cool. It's gonna get scuffed pretty quick, I think, but you know, it's a cool attempt in general. Obviously, the console itself. I mean, not the console. The dock. We'll be comparing that as well in just a moment. So this is the new dock. Quite different. It's angular. A lot more angular. How do we open this? It's from the top this time? Yep. All right. Very nice. And in here is the cooling fan. It has one this time. Cooling fan. Obviously, where you connect all your cables. This is the most impressive part of it all. Whoops. So don't be. No, it's fine. All right. It's a dock. In comparison to the OLED dock and the Switch 2 dock. As you can see, it's quite a bit of size difference. Wow. All right. So that is the unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. I know I did it a little scatterbrained and stuff. Let's see how this works. Hold on. I haven't actually connected these yet. Let's see. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, almost dropped it there. Very nice. Feels good in the hand. Wow. Feels really good in the hand. How do you disconnect this bad boy? Oh. Oh. This is so cool. This mechanism is so much better than the original. Look at this. Button and that's it. Nice. Very nice. Awesome. There we go. And let's do the first boot up. Where's the power button? See what happens. Let's go. I'm such a dork. All right, guys. So that's it. Nintendo Switch 2, available now. You want to go get one, guys. Don't listen to all the haters. Everybody telling you it's not worth it. You don't buy a console just for the launch games. Go get it if you want it. Should have a good library. The Switch had a great library. This might follow suit. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully, I will see you guys tomorrow night when we co-stream the Summer Game Fest. Have a good one, guys. Oh, there, guys. Almost forgot. Underneath the console itself in the box was obviously the Mario Kart World Code, which I'm not going to scratch off and show you that. The health and safety guide, as usual. The HDMI cable, which is an ultra, you probably can't see, ultra HD cable, so it does the 4K, whatnot. And the straps, the new wrist straps. So, yeah, that's also in there. And there you have it. That's the unboxing, my first ever one of the Nintendo Switch 2 console. It is currently set up on my desk already. Downloading all the stuff that I transferred over from the original Nintendo Switch. Not the original, the OLED. You get what I'm saying. From the Nintendo Switch to the Nintendo Switch 2, everything is transferring over now. Maybe tomorrow after the Summer Game Fest stream, we'll just follow up and actually do a Mario Kart World stream. I'm going to set that to download as well tonight, overnight, and we'll see if we can just play it some tomorrow. So maybe stop by, check that out if you want. We'll be starting 5 p.m. Eastern tomorrow. I forgot to mention that at the beginning of the video. 5 p.m. Eastern when Summer Game Fest starts over on the Twitch channel. Thank you so much for everything, for stopping by, for watching. If you're still watching, I appreciate you so much. You guys have no idea. I literally appreciate any and all support. Anything that I get from you guys is literally greatly appreciated. Thank you so much. Have a good one, guys. I'll see you around, hopefully. Peace out.